Now, doesn't this look fun? A lazy river. Float, and your cares will disappear. Your mind will be at peace. There's something so soothing about the sound of a waterfall. My guess is a bachelorette party. What's your guess? Activity pool. Family fun. Sunsets in Puerto Vallarta are breathtaking. The darker it gets, the more beautiful they become. Wouldn't you like to be sitting right here, oceanfront, having a dry martini with olives, a little guacamole, and some taco chips, letting your cares float away. Let's sit and relax, shall we? Oceanfront condos. And there would be the area where you could have your destination wedding ceremony. How beautiful. Allow me to extend a warm welcome to Velas Vallarta in Puerto Vallarta. Maybe you'd like to prepare your own meals. There's a kitchen. Spacious bathroom with a large shower. King-size bed for your comfort. And a balcony on the 7th floor with a view.
You know, like, yeah, anywhere from even 6 to 14 or 15.
You go to housekeeping and they come in.
Okay, so look at this, Jan, see? I mean, it's like a single bed. It's a little bit smaller than a single bed.
So 2 kids could sleep here.
Yeah.
This is the 2-bedroom suite with twin beds here, full bathroom, closet with safe, and kitchen.
Not just me, but.
I mean, this is, no, it makes sense. I mean, that's why I had those 2 bedrooms. This is what they have.
Oh, is this what they have?
3 bedrooms.
And wake up an hour later.
And here, they've got double.
So if you're wanting a unit with cooking, this is a great choice for you.
and bells, no matter what their age. Well, 4 adults and 2 kids.
And there are bathrooms with showers and bathtubs. And this is your view as the sun is setting. Glass of wine, and just watching that beautiful sunset. This is the presidential suite with 4 bedrooms and a mini pool. So let's explore, shall we? Oh, this would be so great for weddings. Can you imagine? I mean, it wouldn't have to be for the entire 7 nights, but it could be for 2 or 3 nights. Have your cocktail party up here. Oh, this would be superb.
Maybe a cocktail.
And here you can have wedding ceremonies for up to 30 people. Wouldn't this be so romantic? Cocktail parties, if you prefer, but you can also have your wedding ceremony right here. This is what I mean about the sunsets. Beautiful. And here's a pool. Lovely. If you wanted to rent this presidential suite for your wedding, here you could have 30 guests. You can have your ceremony here or have it on the beach and come up here for your reception and cocktail party. And it sleeps 12.
8 to 10. Maybe sometimes people even get 12 people here. But
for sure.
Wouldn't this be so romantic to have your ceremony and your dinner up here? Very intimate and a great option for all your family. Mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, kids.
How much a night?
it's really nice. So go directly to the restaurant. Okay.
Welcome to Andreas Restaurant. Oh my goodness, if you could only smell what I'm smelling. The fragrances of this wonderful food. Look at all these lovely desserts. And entertainment.
She's videoing.
hacemos guardar hasta el papel ese para que-
Hola, gentlemen.
Buenos días, a ver.
Buenos días. Hola. Greetings from Velas Vallarta in Puerto Vallarta, a beautiful resort with 46 rooms, I believe, something like that. And I'm here with the on-site wedding coordinator, Yara. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
You work in paradise. This is truly a beautiful resort with all the bougainvillea draping from the balconies, beautiful pools. So Yara is the on-site wedding coordinator, and she will be your point of contact from the beginning of the wedding process until the end. You can speak with her online about wedding decor, correct?
Exactly.
And all the different colors and the menu options and locations
The
of the
kind of music they want, we have everything for them. Everything they wanted, we have it. And if
Perfect.
we don't, we make it happen.
Oh, perfect. And I noticed that it's Dream Art that does the photos. I know Dream Art, and they're very, very good photographers.
Yes, they are very good and very professional. So
Yeah, you'd be in capable hands. So how many weddings do you do a day here?
only one, because we know that every couple is important, so we make that a day only for them.
Perfect. And your weddings range in size from perhaps 2 people to how many?
To even 500 if they are Mexican weddings.
Excellent. And this resort is shaped like a U, and there's lots of locations for a ceremony as well as the reception. And in case of rain, you have a backup plan with
Yeah, we have a
ballrooms.
with capacity up to 500 people.
And as far as the menu options are concerned, their choices could be chicken, fish, seafood.
Yeah, we have a lot of options.
Mhm.
And we also have, for example, for vegetarian, gluten-free. We have everything.
Now, do you know if you have vegan options?
Yeah, we also have vegan options.
Oh, that's
Vegetarian,
perfect.
vegan, gluten-free.
I get a lot of inquiries about vegetarian and vegan and gluten options. You know, there's a lot of people that are intolerant to
Yes.
gluten. So that's good to know. That's excellent to know.
Yes, we have it.
Excellent. Well, I'll tell you, this is a great resort, and it's something that I think that you should all consider. Velas Vallarta in Puerto Vallarta, and you would be in capable hands with Yara.
With me.
Thank you. Welcome to Velas Vallarta. Do you think this is called a pool day? I'm thinking so. It's a beautiful day in January. People are swimming, having breakfast. Bougainvillea draping from the balconies. This is truly a beautiful resort. This is something to consider for a vacation, for a wedding. Call me, Susan at Escapes. It doesn't matter where you look at this resort, Velas Vallarta, it's just a little touch of beauty. Waterfalls, koi ponds, Lazy river, beautiful pools, lots of lounge chairs, great beach. This is a resort I think you would love to experience. Call me, Susan at Escapes. This is a resort that you must experience. It's so tranquil and peaceful. A great place to relieve your stress.